English writers for literature students is very important, and so let's get started. There are so many writers of English language in India who are very important to read about. They represent contemporary social issues and reflect lives of their times. Many prominent writers from India have won many literary prizes worldwide. So let's discuss about some important Indian English literature. So here we will read about only the important writers of English language and their major works, and in the following videos I will describe about them one by one, and we will go in detail about their life and also about their works. So let's get started. So the important Indian English writers and their works. The first major writer of English language in India is R.K. Narayan, and R.K. Narayan's major works are Swami and His Friends, Bachelor of Arts, the English language, the English teacher, the guide. Three of the first three of the first works are semi-autobiographical in nature, and the guide is a famous novel written by R.K. Narayan. Apart from it, there are other works also which we will discuss when I will make a video on R.K. Narayan solely. So the second writer is Raja Rao, and his major works are Kanthapura, The Serpent and the Rope, The Cat and the Shakespeare, Comrade Kirillov, The Chess Master and His Moves. Arundhati Roy's important works are The God of Small Things, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. Khushwant Singh is yet another name in Indian English writing. The Train to Pakistan, Truth, Love and Little Malice, The Company of Women, The History of Sikhs are important works written by Khushwant Singh. Mulk Raj Anand's works are The Village, Across the Black Waters, The Sword and the Sickle, Coolie, The Private Life of an Indian Prince. Anita Desai's important works are Cry the Peacock, Voices in the City, In Custody, Fasting, Feasting. Rabindranath Tagore's important work is Gitanjali, for which he got Nobel Prize also. The Home and the World, The Wreck, Gora. They were all translated into English language from Bengali language. Rabindranath Tagore was basically a Bengali writer, and later he started converting and translating them in English language, and he won many prizes for his works, and we will learn about them in description in later video. Sarojini Naidu's important works are The Golden Threshold, The Bird of Time, The Broken Wing, Muhammad Jinnah. A.K. Ramanujan's basically important works of A.K. Ramanujan are The Striders and Second Sight. They are collection of poems. The Striders is a collection of poems. Second Sight is also a collection of poems. A.K. Ramanujan is important name in Indian English writing, and these two works are basically very important of A.K. Ramanujan. Amitav Ghosh, his important works are The Shadow Lines, The Calcutta Chromosome and The Sea of Poppies. So this is all about Indian English writing.